Welcome to the YouTube channel of the Mobitro platform. Let's explore what updates appeared in the fresh version 5.6.0. We prepared new features and many improvements for a better user experience. The Mobitro devices are remote, and one of your possible concerns is whether connection issues influence your work. Have you faced poor device performance? Of course, the problem may be on the Mobitro side. However, your internet connection may also influence the interaction. In the header of the device area, you'll find a special icon that indicates if your internet is sufficient for quick work of the device. Also, we included our recommendations in the feature. We have a numerous list of updates related to application installation. The extra important news is that pre-installed apps are back on iOS devices. We added two browsers, two VPN apps, and TestFlight. There is no need to log in with your Apple ID to install these applications. Need other apps? You can always send your request to the support team. We are sure this news is worth a like for this video from your side. The verification of the iOS apps could fail on some devices. The enterprise profile checks conducted by Apple caused such a situation. Now you can install applications signed with the enterprise profile with the new checkbox. Moreover, features with iOS entitlements will be saved. Note that if your device has the developer profile, such an installation option doesn't suit you and you need to choose Resign. There is also a slight improvement for the Resign option, a notification about removing iOS entitlements, but we remind you that the development team can add our devices to the developer program to avoid resigning. Have you installed an app with the image injection feature? It takes a lot of time, doesn't it? Fortunately, Mobitro remembers the apps installed for QR barcode scanning or biometric authentication. You will see them marked on the UI, and you do not need to choose the image injection checkbox next time. Statistics may become more cheerful in the Daily Distribution tab. If the subscription has changed, you will see different colors on the UI and dates under the graph. It was a quick overview of version 5.6.0 updates. Let's sum up the scope. If a device is slow, check the network status in the header of the device area. Do not worry about additional steps when you need to work with Chrome, Global Protect, and some other apps on iOS devices. If your app contains the enterprise profile, choose a new option for the installation. The image injection state is saved for your app, so you do not need to re-inject it next time. In the statistics, you can see data in different colors if your subscription has changed. If you want to share your feedback, contact the support team or leave your comments under the video. We hope you will enjoy the updates. Your Mobitro.